Right guys, so what you need to do, you need to allocate your last $50 into a contract. So what you need to do is you scroll up where it says browse, click on that, comes to this page here. This is the one you want, Sonic. Okay, go to details, then you want to connect. Button here saying connect, and this window will pop up, and you want to put the last amount you've invested, which is $50. Scroll down and it says community token. You put the code in, which is hash 9M, capital M. Agree the terms, verify. Comes to this page here, $50 is still there. Alright. Then here you want to put 9M promo. Alright. This is so you get your bonuses. Alright. Agree it, which is just double check it's agreed, and you submit. There's a little tick there, agreeing. Then you copy now. I won't do it because I've already done it already. Okay, just turn that off. And if I go back to Follow Hub, within probably about 15 minutes to an hour, it will be added here. It'll be added here. All right. Okay, that's the first one we did earlier on. Okay, this is the new one. All right. Okay, so that's the amount. So that's $6,000, alright. So here's $200. So I put $100 of my own money. They gave me $100 back, alright. Plus the exchange has given me $4,800 here. Okay. And then the one we just done now, that's my $50, the last $50. And they give me a bonus here. 1,200, yeah. So if you add those up, that's $6,000 in leverage, okay. And every day you'll start getting your money coming in. All right. You can either reinvest, okay, or you can withdraw. It's up to you. All right. The minimum withdrawal is, I do believe, is $10. Okay. So please make a note of that. I will leave the code that you need to put. It's got to be allocated to those codes, so it's matches up with what you've done earlier on with the form to apply for your discounts and your bonuses. You know, so yeah. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching the video. And then, hey, let's get active together.